You're in everywhere except that top corner.
Yeah, I might just have to take my grinder.
See if you can push
it
on
off
that.
right here.
Push on it a little bit. Might have popped out over here. I got a hammer in my bucket right there. It's a little small. I'm good right here because I'm almost flush.
Oh, are you?
Yeah. I just need to come out about an inch on the bottom. That's pretty close. See if you can smack it that way. Alright. Pretty dang close. So if I push it to right there,
if you push it and hold it, then I can tack it. Like push it where you like it out there, and I'll tack it.
Don't tack this side because I got to go back into you about 3/8 of an inch. But I can push. I can push. I tell you what. Alright.
Good on the top?
Yep. Tack it right there.
Right where?
Right here above my hand. Alright, tack the middle too.
Good down that whole side?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how we can get that even. This side's a lot more even. It's kind of like it's pushed in on your side. You may have to hit it up here because on this side it's got about it's like 3/8 all the way down. Over here it's pushed in from like here.
All right. Pushed in to me or pushed into you?
Tap it out to me.
All right.
Like I said, from about here up.
You want me to hit this out or the?
No, the actual container.
All right. All right.
Top, very top.
Very top?
Yeah, right up here. Keep going. One more.
One more?
Yep. That's like it's stuck right there for some reason. I think it's rubbing up here in this corner.
I can hit it a little harder.
Yeah, smack it one time up here in the very top corner.
All right. One more?
Yep. Alright, smack it and we're going to tack it and then I'll have to hit the middle back.
Alright.
Keep going.
One more?
Yep. Alright, tack it right there. At the very top.
Like in the corner, you think?
Yep. All right. All right, now tack it in the middle.
Middle?
Yep. All right, then come over here and do the same. All right, so hopefully you can hear me. Made some good progress this morning. It's just a little bit after lunch. The grates we actually pre-made in the shop yesterday. We made 9 small ones and 1 really large one, and I'll explain what that's for. So you can see here I've started framing up the partition wall. This is number 1. On the other side, this door opening here, that's a temporary door opening. We got to cut for a double door there actually. And there will be another wall, I think about where those 2x4s are laying. But what we did, we actually just took 2.5-inch angle, made these frames, put 3x9, 3/4x9 wire mesh in them, and basically they're just exhaust. So what they're going to do in this end, there's going to be a 250-gallon diesel storage tank, partition wall, 3 vents, so you can get some circulation through here for the fumes. And I think they're actually running a vent out the top of this also. Partition wall here. And this middle room will be an extremely large extremely large air compressor. And so what they're doing, they're gonna have a set of double doors here. That way they can bring it in, set it in with a lull if they need to take it out, service it, whatever. And then this one here is for the exhaust. They've got a lot of exhaust coming off the compressor. That's why that's there. Over here, your electrical is gonna come up through the floor, come up this wall, partition wall here, partition. Another one actually right here. Be another wall here. And on this end, it's just gonna be storage. So you've got the opening there, double doors on the other end where I just was, and this would be for like lawnmower, stuff like that. And then you've got 2 exhaust fan, or just kind of vents just to let hot air go out. So pretty much using that door there, partition wall here, middle section for the compressor. Set of double doors, we're waiting on them now. I didn't want to cut that because I don't know the dimensions, so we just cut this so we have access in here once we get these walls up. And then, like I said, diesel storage down here. They'll exhaust, run a vent stack out the roof as well. So they worked out pretty good. I was going to do them 2-inch angle, decided on 2.5, actually worked out a lot better. These are nice and flush on the outside. And all we're doing is stitch welding. You can kind of see we cut them as tight as we could. We had a couple gaps. What we'll do is we'll clean them up. We're going to go back and just caulk both sides of everything. And you can see these are welded. The way they build these, they weld the outside, caulk the inside. So we're just stitch welding them. And then if we have to, we may come back and put a drip edge to stop the water from going in. We're just going to kind of see how it goes.
and see if it gets a lot of water in them or something. I mean, it's just storage, but you just don't want water in there. So you got 3 on this side. And then 3 on this side.
That's what I was gonna say. Lay that side out. It's a bit. Let me see if I can get this side.
Good.
Yeah, I'd say tack that side.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll
Top and bottom and then pull it.
I'm working 3 tips up this time. That's all together.
Well, I don't know why mine does it too, but if it gets pushed down and that's out,
I think that's what it was.
every damn time you tack it, burn.
Yeah.
It's a stupid design.
Yeah, I know it.
I need to look and see if they make a threaded one where it won't be able to. Move on me.